Hey everyone, welcome back to the series. So now that in the previous video we have installed the Flutter SDK, so now we are going to skip it and move ahead and set up first for Android. We'll do it in a sequence like Android then Xcode. So for that, just visit this website. So this website is this is the site status as of recording, and it can be changed when you are working. So the functionality will remain same. But yeah, that's it. So okay, the first step is to install your Android Studio. So you will be just click on this link and just install or download your Android Studio from here. It will automatically take your operating system. So I have already downloaded it. Just download it, and once you are done, so open it. And now we are going to add the Flutter and Dart plugins to your Android Studio. So for that, just open this Android Studio. I just open it, and after that, just go to this config, that then your preferences, and then go to your plugins. So just browse here Flutter. Just a second. Yeah, just browse here Flutter. So you will be getting download or install option. Just install it, and while you will be installing this Flutter, it will ask you to accept. You will just accept it, and then a pop-up will appear saying to install the Dart plugin. So you just install that also and click yes and proceed. Once it's done, you have to restart your Android Studio to get the changes. So it will reflect the changes once we restart the Android Studio. After we are done with it, what we'll see this new feature that create a new Flutter project. So we can now create Flutter applications using this. So yeah, this is the process for Android Studio, and that's it for this video. We'll see next few things more in the next video. So hope you like the sessions and will appreciate it. Stay tuned for next sessions. Thank you.